nomophobia unveiled. The science behind the fear of being phoneless. Here are some interesting facts about nomophobia, the fear of being without a mobile phone. 1. Origin of the term. The term nomophobia is a combination of two words, no meaning without, and mobile. It was first coined in a 2008 survey in the United Kingdom. 2. Prevalence. Nomophobia is more common than you might think. Studies have shown that a significant percentage of people, especially in younger age groups, experience varying degrees of nomophobia. 3. Global phenomenon. Nomophobia is not limited to specific countries or cultures. It has been observed and studied in various parts of the world. 4. Impact on well-being. Excessive attachment to mobile phones and the fear of being without them can negatively impact mental health, leading to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. 5. Phone separation anxiety. People with nomophobia can experience symptoms akin to separation anxiety, similar to how one might feel when separated from a loved one. 6. Symptoms. Physical symptoms of nomophobia may include increased heart rate, restlessness, trembling, and sweating when separated from one's phone. 7. Younger generations. Young adults and teenagers tend to be more susceptible to nomophobia, likely due to their higher reliance on mobile phones for communication, entertainment, and socialization. 8. Social media dependency. The fear of missing out is often associated with nomophobia, as people feel compelled to stay connected to social media and online activities. 9. Notification addiction. Frequent checking of notifications, even in non-essential situations, is a common behavior associated with nomophobia. 10. Impaired concentration. People with nomophobia may have difficulty focusing on tasks or conversations due to a constant urge to check their phones. 11. Gender differences. Some studies suggest that women may be more prone to experiencing nomophobia compared to men. 12. Technological advances. As smartphones continue to evolve and become more integrated into daily life, the fear of being without them may also intensify. 13. Treatment and interventions. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CB) and mindfulness techniques have been explored as effective interventions to manage and reduce nomophobia. 14. Dependency and overuse. Nomophobia can contribute to smartphone overuse and excessive screen time, which can lead to a range of physical and psychological health issues. 15. Educational and public health initiatives. Some educational institutions and public health organisations have started addressing nomophobia as part of their efforts to promote healthy technology use and mental well-being. These facts highlight the growing concern and impact of nomophobia on individuals and society, underscoring the need for balanced and mindful use of mobile technology in the modern digital age. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such video